Mark. Let me talk to you a little bit about you know me compete na yo. No ye ta show me also la me tu o tong de la.
Yes and no. Like a couple years ago, James, but this is the first year that we're actually hosting a competition. So anything like this, yes, no. So I'm actually very, very surprised at the turnout that we actually had a lot of competitors and we actually have a lot of people. Even though it's kind of hidden, but people are still making their way here, and it's great to see. So definitely, this is our first year, and it's a great turnout. It's very typical. I had about I would say about almost and then the girls, the women, well, there was 3, almost but then last minute and then all regular division, all challenge divisions. So women, come out, okay? It's, again, I said it earlier, but this is a sport as well too. Don't think this is a guy sport only, a man sport only. It's a sport, just like any other sport. Football, volleyball, soccer. It's both of you can do it. Female, male, doesn't matter. So definitely, if you're watching this right now, next year, come out, sign up for the challenge. All right?
So what happened to you? Me compete trong có bata của ha QE tu filming chỉ ta cứ actually positive la hả na besides họ me what flight là chỉ can lý dạng là chỉ for me competition hả yo
more no te Kule they are competent Thai hot, your car both Mulun loot law, Bongan frame, Hapangan Ang Moka hot, and then James, your 2 other good partner, new co-plan Jaguna, no Biki Lu bench competition, called the bench press competition. And then Iminji, the Kumoe call small competition open to public for people to do, and then they'll be competing for a 180-pound pig actually, donated by Longkeng. And then that's gonna be another one, and then Lucky, who later he'll be doing another dip challenge. Dip they got to all the pound, they go up and down. So those are the competitions we have today. Good ya maybe chi la chao xiang xiong the active active in Hmong I've always been active. Yeah, the and then high school they could be some join high school swim team, and then after they could tell the coach kind of and I like that feeling. So total I'd say about like at the most 8 years.
Actually, so no me ya pi na yo. Có sa ta in the future na. Có ha sa ta nhiều grow la me lu je mo ha ha jong cha ha cho be cho mo in the future ha chung da ku kan na yo.
Yeah, khano ma ku ha jing ni tan dao khano ma Green bao ta cho lâu này, cho lâu bữa sáng mà trong có khoảng nó chỉ muốn nung cái này, cho có như của anh Jamie cho thằng nó all the time, but cũng là cái gì nó thòng cũng tự nhiên mà từ mà mà nhang thọ chân anh thấy cái gì sáng thọ, bây giờ là bắt của hắn này cũng tao xong cũng thay lên tao hắn này chỉ là cũng nhỏ cũng cho lên sáng mong nhang thế này, rồi cũng tự nhiên tao nhang lại, and I guess my point is thầu dùng gan là họ dùng thay mua dùng mua lăn chim gan là dùng gan tàu, giờ có cho đây có nhang thọ, nếu có tàu gan chỉ nhang này có lấy chăng nó, cái nhỏ họ hú lên từ bán có chim từ bán thì có có xứ, thì có chim gan thì có chim gan thì có ngắt tàu lấy, so that's my thing is I want allow to accept it that it's something that it's a growing sport.
Any final thoughts or say that các bạn contribute cho cái team không?
Yeah, definitely. If you are watching this, sign up next year because we are hoping to do this again next year. Don't be intimidated by all this. I know you see all that and you're thinking, oh, I may not be able to do it, but you never know. Just like my athletes, a lot of them are saying, oh man, I really surprised myself because I really didn't have time to train. So don't be intimidated. Come out, try it out, and if you really can't do it, just come out, meet and greet people, and maybe you might be motivated by some of the people here as well too. So don't be intimidated and just come out and hang out with us and have some fun.
What's up?
Yeah, what's up?